This principle states that elements that are parallel to each other are seen or more related than elements not parallel to each other. This principle is like the common fate principle. Lines are often interpreted as pointing or moving in some direction. Parallel lines are seen as either pointing or moving in the same direction and are thus related. It should be noted that for parallelism to be perceived, the lines can also be curves or shapes, though with the latter the shapes should be somewhat line-like in order for them to appear parallel. In this example, the three parallel lines above should appear more related to each other than to any of the other lines. This composition is visually interesting because it gives people a visual comfort. There are many principles of design were used in this composition such as scale, rhythm, movement, proportion, unity. The kind of balance was used in this composition is radial. Regardless of all that, Gestalt principle were used is parallelism. The emphasis that needs to be taken in this composition is craftsmanship. Elements with the same or very similar slopes are associated as a single group. When designing, we often change the inclination of our text to match surrounding arrows or curves because it makes the entire figure look more visually compact. In this poster created to advertise the font Futura, different text areas are grouped using the principle of parallelism. Next, the law of past experience.